Hi, Verinatics! This is Nurse MJ Very in Qatar. Today, I will give you a very health tips. Before that, don't forget to like, share, love, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you! Sneezing and coughing etiquette. Like this. If you have coughing, and then sneezing. Aching! If we love ourselves, our family, our patients, and community, we need to follow these prevention measures about coughing and sneezing. Number one, you need to bring always tissue if you have cough and sneezing. Like this. You need to cover your nose and mouth to prevent the spreading of germs to others. This is the proper coughing and sneezing covering with tissue. Check. Number 2. Put your used tissue in the trash can bin. So I have my trash can bin here. So I have the used tissue that I use for sneezing and coughing. So in your trash can bin, you need to put plastic inside the trash can. Because if this used tissue you can throw everywhere, you can transfer the germs and bacteria to others. So this is very important. Okay, coughing and sneezing, then your used tissue you put in the trash can bin. Check. Number 3. If you sneeze and cough and then you don't have any tissue or any towel with you, so the best thing or remedy is to sneeze or cough in the sleeves of your dress or t-shirt, like this. Yes, that is a nice technique because in this area you cannot touch every time, and then it will prevent also to share the germs and bacteria to others. It's better to cough in the sleeves of your t-shirts or dress than cough or sneeze in your hands, because if you cough or sneeze in your hand, it's easy to transfer to other person, because our hands is always working and working, and one of the dirtiest part of our body. So reminders, if you cough and sneeze, don't use your hands because it's easy to transfer germs, bacteria to others. So coughing in your hand is very, very wrong. Verinatics. Number 4. Proper hand washing with antibacterial soap, of course with a clean towel to rinse our hand. If we do the proper hand washing after sneezing, coughing, we protect ourselves, our family, and our community. Okay? If you follow these preventions, of course, everyone will be secured and protected. Thank you for watching Verinatics. Next health tips is to do the proper hand washing. See you with my next vlog. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.